नमस्कार. मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिंपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर. In mathematics second means geometry, sixth chapter is trigonometry and problem set 6. Question number 6. A boy standing at a distance of 48 meters from a building observes a top of the building and makes an angle of elevation of 30 degree. Find the height of building. Now answer, let height of building is equal to AB. That is we have to find out, means the question mark. This is AB is the height of building. Now a boy is standing at point C. Now boy is standing at this point, and here angle of elevation means this angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Now in this right angle triangle ABC, tan it means BC, and hence tan ACB means tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side AB, which is not given, upon BC. BC is 48. Now we know the value of tan 30 means 1 upon root 3. Value of tan 30 means 1 upon root 3, which is equal to AB upon 48, and hence here AB is equal to 48 ला आपण इकडे घेऊन गेलो, आपण 48 1 जा 48 अपॉन अंडर रूट 3. रूट 3 नी मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे आणि डिवाइड करायचं आहे रूट 3 नी, विच इज इक्वल टू 48 अंडर रूट 3 upon root 3 into root 3 means root 3 square means 3. 3 ने डिवाइड करायचं आहे, 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3, 3 6 जा 18, and hence AB is equal to 16 root 3 meter. This is the answer, and hence we can write answer, the height of building is equal to 16 root 3 meter. This is the answer. Then seventh example, from the top of lighthouse an observer looks at a ship and find angle of depression to be a 30 degree. If height of lighthouse is 100 meter, then find how far ship is from the lighthouse. Now let the height of lighthouse is AB. Suppose this AB is the lighthouse, this is the height, which is equal to 100 meter. Now distance of ship from lighthouse, from this to this distance is not given. This is not given, and here distance of ship from a lighthouse, which is equal to BC, which we have to find out. Here angle ACB is equal to angle DAC, which is equal to 30 degree, as this angle and this angle are alternate angles. Now in this right angle triangle ABC, tan ACB is equal to, tan ratio means opposite side upon adjacent side, means AB upon BC. Now tan ACB means tan 30 degree is equal to, AB is given 100 upon BC, BC is not given, BC. Now tan 30, we know the tan 30, value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3, which is equal to 100 upon BC. Taking cross product, BC into 1 means BC is equal to 100 into root 3. This root 3 meter. This is the answer. And hence, the distance of ship from the lighthouse is equal to 100 root 3 meter. This is the answer. Then, eighth example, two buildings are in front of each other on a road of width 15 meters. From the top of first building having a height of 12 meter, the angle of elevation of the top of the second building is 30 degree. What is the height of second building? Now here let two buildings are, this is AB is one building and CD is another building. We have to find out the height of second building, means AB is equal to question mark, and CD, height of second height of a building CD is equal to 12 meter. Now the width BD is equal to, width of the road BD is equal to 15 meter. Now here angle ACB, ACE, angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now here quadrilateral EBDC is a rectangle, means opposite sides are equal. CD is 12 meter and hence EB is also equal to 12 meter. BD is equal to width of road 15 meter and hence EC also become 15 meter. Now in this right angle triangle AEC, tan ACE is equal to, tan of ACE is opposite side upon adjacent side, means EAE upon EC. Now tan ACE means tan 30 degree is equal to, AE is not given, means AE upon EC, EC is 15. Now we know that tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, which is equal to AE upon 15. Taking cross product, 15 into 1 means 15, means AE is equal to 15 ones are 15 upon under root 3. Now multiplying by root 3 in numerator and also denominator, which is equal to 15 under root 3 upon root 3 into root 3, means root 3 square means 3. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, and hence AE is equal to 5 root 3, 5 under root 3 meter. Now we have the height of the second building. Now height of second building which is equal to AB, which is equal to AE plus EB, which is equal to AE is 5 under root 3, then plus AE is 5 root 3 plus EB is 12, and hence this is the answer, means AB is equal to this meter, and hence we can write the height of second building is equal to, now here 12 plus 5 under root 3 meter. This is the answer. Then ninth example, a ladder on the platform of a fire brigade van can be elevated at an angle of 70 degree to the maximum. The length of the ladder can be extended up to 20 meter. If the platform is 2 meter above the ground, find maximum height from ground up to which the ladder can reach. Sin 70 is equal to 0.94. Now this is the diagram. Let the height of platform. Now here this is the platform. Height of platform means EB, which is equal to CD, is 2 meter. Then length of ladder, this is ladder, AD, which is equal to 20 meter. Now in this right angle triangle AED, sine ratio of this angle, sine ratio means opposite side upon hypotenuse, means AE, sin ADE is equal to AE upon hypotenuse AD. Means sin this angle means sin 70 degree is equal to, now AE is not given, means AE upon AD is 20. Now putting values, here sin 70 is given, means 0.94, which is equal to AE upon AD is, means 20, and hence AE is equal to 0.94 into 20, means AE is equal to, now multiplying by 20, then we get here 18.80 meter. A is equal to this. Now the height of Now we have AB is equal to AE plus AE plus EB, which is equal to AE is 18.80 plus EB is 2, and hence AB is equal to 18 plus 2 means here 20 plus 80 meter, and hence we can write the maximum height of ladder from ground can reach 20.80 meter. This is the answer. Then 10th example, while landing at an airport, a pilot made an angle of depression of 20 degree. Average speed of plane was 200 km per hour. The plane reached the ground after 54 seconds. Find the height at which the plane was when it started landing. Sin 20 degree is equal to 0.342. Now let height of the plane. Now plane is at point A and this is ground. Perpendicular distance means AB. This we have to find out, means AB is equal to question mark. Now distance covered by plane in 54 seconds. Plane landing at point C, angle of depression is 20 degree, and hence this angle ACB is also 20 degree, as both are alternate angles. Now the distance covered by the plane in 24 seconds at speed 20 km per hour means AB is equal to 54 into 200 upon 1 hour means 3600 second, which is equal to, now 20 get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 and 2 18s are 36. Now 18 ones are 18, 18 threes are 54, which is equal to 3 meter. The distance is 3 meter. Now in this right angle triangle ABC, in this triangle, now sin 20 is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse means AB upon AC, and hence sin this angle means sin 20 degree is equal to AB is not given means AB upon AC, AC is 3. Now putting values again, sin 20 is 0.342 is equal to AB upon 3, and hence AB is equal to 3 into 3, hence AB is equal to, I am writing here, AB is equal to this 3 into 0.342, and hence AB is equal to, now multiplying by 3 ने याला आपल्याला मल्टिप्लाय करून घ्यायचं आहे, 1.026 meter kilometer, this is kilometer, and hence AB is equal to 1.026 into 1000 meter and hence AB is equal to AB is equal to, now multiplying by this, 1026. This is kilometer, now this is meter, and hence the height at which the plane was when it started landing is equal to 1026 meter. This is the answer. Thank you from Sanjay A. Thakre.